Hey friends, today I'm gonna be making Financier. These little cakes are named after its shape. It looks like a gold bar and it makes you feel rich and taste rich. And it's interesting which kind of mold you are using. The taste is so different. Let's start with browning the butter that creates the signature aroma. Let's get started. It's a very easy recipe. We just mix the butter and just bake it. Set your ice bath beside you to stop cooking. The butter should be prepared so quick, so preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Put the butter in the pan and put it on a medium heat, and the butter is melted. It becomes bubbly and noisy. Be careful with scattering the butter. It will spread all over the place, so swirl around the pan occasionally until the butter becomes a light brown. Keep your eye on it until it looks like this. Turn off the heat and put it in the ice bath to stop cooking. You don't have to chew the brown butter, so just quickly put into the ice bath to stop cooking. The butter should be warm when you mix it with the rest of the butter. What's going on in the pan is the milk solid is browning in the butter fat. Shift together the almond powder or almond meal, whatever you call it, and powdered sugar and all-purpose flour. Make a well in the center and pour the egg white. Mix well and pour in the brown butter while still warm. You don't have to strain, but today I'm in the mood for straining to make a smooth texture, and mix well until you get the nice smooth butter. And the butter is prepared. Grease inside of the mold with an oil spray, or if you don't have the oil spray, you can brush the butter. And of course, you can use the classic metal mold. Brush the butter inside as well. Transfer the butter into a piping bag and squeeze out the butter to the edge. Pop in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the edge is lightly golden brown. Take it out and leave it on a wire rack for several minutes. Because it is so soft when you take it out from the oven, so you should leave it until the outside is a little bit cooled down and is set. And then carefully take it onto the wire rack. And you can bake it in a mini muffin mold. When you make the financier with the deep mold, it's gonna make a fluffy and soft financier and make a different texture from the rectangular shape. You can make a great gift with this financier. You should put it in an individual plastic bag while still warm. Why should you do it while still warm? That is because when I run my pastry shop, I found that when you leave the financier cool to the room temperature and put it in a plastic bag, it's gonna make a dry texture. But when you put it in a plastic bag while still warm, you're gonna have a soft and moist texture financier for the next several days. I love this financier because this is so rich and tasty. Brown butter is so aromatic. It makes me so happy. I hope you will make this recipe for the next weekend baking project. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And go to my website for more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!